Alright guys, welcome back to another video of Rad Street Daily. Today we're going to go ahead and replace the cabin air filter on my 2020 Genesis G70. It's a simple process. Let's get into the video. First things first, open the glove box and then remove this shock from the side of it. Then after that, go ahead and remove these two tabs that's in the side of the glove box. They're very easy, just turn them counterclockwise to unloose them, and then the glove box will come right down. Then go ahead and remove this cover right here. Right away, the cabin filter is exposed, so just go right ahead and take it out. See, it's very simple. This one has a lot of leaves in it. Imagine all those leaves coming through your vents at you if it wasn't for the filter. Right here I'm just inspecting the filter to see how really bad it is, and it's not that bad, just really dusty. And I'm just going to remove the new one to inspect to make sure it's the right one I got. And no need for instructions. Right here I'm just checking to make sure it's the same exact type of fabric that came out. So this way I put the same one that came out back in. So right here I found a piece of pine needle that was inside the vent. It's always good to check and make sure that there's no leaves in there, because once the fan comes on, you'll hear a lot of leaves moving around inside there, and you don't want that. When installing these tabs, make sure that the glove box door is up, and then you clockwise turn them in, so this way they lock into position on both sides. This will prevent the glove box door from falling all the way down. If you find your glove box doing this, just go to the side of it and just remember to pull the shock down to stop it from doing that. All the way over and clip, and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. It was very easy, simple process. It was very straightforward. You don't have to worry about it too much. You don't need no tools, and that's it. It's 5 minutes maybe tops. If you're really handy, 2 minutes and maybe 30 seconds. So I hope that this video helped. Don't forget, like and subscribe, and let's go.